Hey guys, it's GoldieBlox and I'm back with another Joanne haul. Today is all about crafting on a budget. Your girl likes to save money. What can I say? I'm cheap, but I don't know where I was going with that. Everything in this bag is under $10. So, let's do it. Okay, so just like, I'm gonna dump this out. Okay, well, I have a really nice birdhouse. I completely blanked on that for some reason, I don't know why. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna... But we can like dump this out. Oh, wow. Oh. Well, okay, well, half of it got on the floor. Love that for me. Just kind of got some paint. Bring it back. Okay, we got the paint. And I think oh, more paint. Got it. Look at that. I just caught that. Okay. Okay. I'm like out of breath. I need to get in shape. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I bought is yarn. So I got this color, you know, for knitting. But then I found this really cool type of yarn that you don't even need knitting needles for. You just knit it with your hands, which is like a great way to start knitting because if like you don't know how to knit, then you can just kind of like figure it out and then you can like get more advanced, you know? And they're fuzzy. It's really fuzzy. I'm literally obsessed. Okay, next, they're like, you like make balls. This is so weird. It's literally like powders that you put in like a mold, and then if you wait a long time, they turn into actual like bouncy balls? Bouncy balls. Kind of interested to see what they look like, or see what the powders look like. Kind of rip this open. There we go. Yeah, I go to the gym. I don't. Okay. Ooh, they're like neon. I like that. Oh, and they glow in the dark. Heck yeah. Next thing I got, so you know I love patches kind of on everything. They're cool, but you have to iron them on, and that's kind of like a mission. So I got these like little self-adhesive patches, and they're little food. So like that's really cute, yay. Next up, I got acrylic paint because you can never have enough acrylic paint, and I got the primary colors, so you can make any color you want with just these couple colors. Oh, this is gray, or is it white? Okay, let's move this. I don't want this to spill. Okay. And this thing, when I first saw it, I just thought they were really fancy packing peanuts. And then I read the instructions. So basically what you do is you get them. So you dip them in water, and then you just stick them together. And they stay together. This is art. Well, that's enough of that. Okay, moving on. So the next thing that I bought, they're Perler beads, you know, where you make them into any shape you want and then like iron them ever so slightly, like over wax paper, and then they create like little horses or whatever. That's so fun. Like that's so fun. Anyway, I'm obsessed. And then I got some cookie cutters. Guys, we have ice cream, we have a flamingo, we have a pineapple, sunglasses, a lemonade, a palm tree. Man, this is just summer realness. Cookie cutters. Fun. Okay, and then we got okay. And last but not least, we got a birdhouse. Yeah, it's just so cute, and you can paint this with the acrylic paint that you just bought, and you can just kind of decorate however you want. You can make it like a beach house birdhouse. That's it. Okay. Joanne haul under $10 equals over. So that is it for today's Joanne haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything under $10. Also, like and subscribe. GoldieBlox signing off.